Are you tired of typing? And want to give your hardworking fingers a much-deserved break? Or you're trying to keep up with your email correspondence while cooking dinner? Why don't you use the handy option given by Apple on Mac devices? Let me show you. If you are using this option the first time on your Mac devices, then first you need to go to System Preferences, then the keyboard, then select the Dictation tab. Here you have to click the On option. And then choose the shortcut. I have chosen press FN key twice. So whenever I have to start dictation, I will simply press the FN key 2 times on my keyboard. Now on your Mac, whenever you need dictation, you need to just press the FN key twice. I have opened a text editor and pressed the FN key twice. It will show me the microphone. Now I can start the dictation.
Next time. I think this is good.
When finished, just press the Done button, which is below the microphone. Wherever on Mac, you can type, you can also do dictation. This is really handy when you are tired of typing. For novice dictation users, Apple also has a helpful guide on how to dictate punctuation, formatting, symbols, and more. Some commands, like saying the word comma to type a comma. Saying full stop for typing full stop. For a new line, say new line. So, what are you waiting for? Enable the dictation on Mac and give little rest to your fingers.